Welcome to Zingify. Step 1. Log in to your account. This will give you access to your account and allow you to begin setting up your custom-branded app. Step 2. Set your business name upon logging in. Enter your business name. Step 3. Choose your app name. Select a memorable and unique name for your app. Avoid generic names or those too similar to existing apps to help your app stand out in app stores and resonate with your audience. Step 4. Craft your App Store description. Highlight your app's key features and benefits. Step 5. Choose a category that best represents your app's purpose. Step 6. Add strategic keywords. Select keywords your target audience might search for. The platform will also suggest auto-capture keywords to enhance your app's visibility. Step 7. Personalize your URL name. Create a custom URL for your Zingify landing page where clients can explore your offerings. You can update this URL anytime to reflect your brand identity. Note: our white label app allows you to fully customize your online presence, such as logos and colors. Step 8. Set your app icon. Upload an icon that reflects your brand identity. Select Contact for Custom Icon to have our team design one for you. Step 9. Customize your splash screen. Choose a background color and upload an impactful image for your splash screen. Use precise color values, RGB, to match your brand. Need inspiration? Click See What Others Do, or contact our design team for custom splash screen ideas. Step 10. Add essential URLs. Support URL. Link to your contact or support page. Support email address. Provide a contact email. Marketing URL. Add your website or promotional pages. Privacy policy URL. Provide a link to your terms and conditions. These links are essential for user transparency and App Store submissions. Step 11. Enable client sign-up. Decide if users can create accounts directly via the app. Enabling this feature allows new users to sign up and explore your offerings seamlessly. Step 12. Marketplace visibility. Choose whether your offerings should be discoverable in the shared marketplace. Step 13. Finish and access your dashboard. Click Finish to finalize your setup. You'll be directed to your Zingify dashboard, where you can manage your app, monitor activity, and make updates as needed. Our support team is here to help every step of the way.